Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of language on the application of NFL. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about NFL and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL. Then you can update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget